Assalamualaikum everyone. So in this video I am going to show you how to download a mockup PSD file for your business card and then show you how to use it and put your own design business card there. Just open the Google and type here in the search bar business card. Here you will see this option. Just click on it and then go to this one here on this PSD download file. Okay, then this interface will appear. Just scroll down and you will see many options are there for the mockup designs of your business card. If you scroll it more, then you will see some pages here for more mockup designs. You can go to any one of them and choose the design you want. Now I will download any one of them and show you how to use it. Suppose this one, just click on it. See, okay. Now just scroll down and click here on free download. The download link is getting ready. It's ready. Scroll down and click here on free download again. Okay, it will take a few seconds. Almost ready, done. Okay, now this will come. Okay, if you click here, you will see the JPG file and the PSD file as well. Okay, just click here on download, then on download anyway. See, the file is being downloaded here. Then I'll go to the downloads and show you. Okay, see here the file is getting downloaded here. You can see I have already downloaded this file, so I will cancel it for now. See, after getting downloaded, you have to click here on show in folder. Here, this one, just cut it. This one, go to the Adobe Photoshop, just click here. Then this file will open. Now you can edit this business card. I mean, you can put your own designed business card here. Here, this one is the font part of the business card. Now how to edit it? Just go here, double click here on the font part, double click here. See, now you can edit this part. I have already made a design in Adobe Illustrator, so I will go there, select the font part, copy it and then paste it here by pressing Ctrl V. Paste as smart object. Okay, just adjust it a bit. Okay, then by pressing on the right part of the mouse, place it. Done. Now these two layers I don't need them, so I will delete this one. Select these two and delete it if you want. Okay, now to save it, I will press Ctrl S in the keyboard. Done. Go to the main file. See, the font part is done. Okay, now for the back part, just double click here. Go to Adobe Illustrator, select the back part, copy it and then paste it here. Adjust it a bit. Place it by pressing on the right part of the mouse. Done. Delete the other two layers. Save it by pressing Ctrl S in the keyboard. Go here, See, the back part is done as well. In this way you can put your own design business cards in the mockup. Now to download this one, press Ctrl S in the keyboard. Sorry, Ctrl Alt S or Ctrl S as you want. Click on it and this will appear. Now here you can give a file name, like I will keep it here business card 2. Okay. Now if you want to save it as PhD, then you can save it simply, or if you want to save it as image, then just click here and go to the JPG option. Just save it. I will save it here in downloads. No, in pictures. Okay. Save it. Okay. Okay. Done. Now if you go here, I have downloaded it in pictures. Okay. Now see here the JPG file, I mean the image. You can find it here in so see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.